Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna give you a quick tricks to clean the ceiling fan in homemade and professional way. Before moving ahead, if you are new to the channel or not subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell button icon for latest and upcoming videos. For homemade cleaning, we need a pillow cover case. Here I had taken an old pillow cover. Now I will show how it works. Here you can see my fan, how it's totally mussed, and look at the layer of the dust. Frequency for cleaning a fan should be once in a month would be better. So now I am just wiping down the blades with the help of pillow cover. The pillow cover will help you to catch the dust without letting it fall everywhere. The same needs to be done for the other blades, and at last wipe it with wet duster. For professional way, the process will be same. We can use the garbage bag instead of a pillow cover case. And the fan is cleaned. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share to others. If you need more details on this or any other suggestions, please comment in comment section. We'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.